Equipped. Equipped is considered as the best construction equipment rentals in General Santos City.
It also became the most reliable rental service in the city because here we take pride in helping you to get equipped.
Since we are here for you, we are also extending our service in just a palm of your hand. Our rental service manages to show you our prototype. You will be directed here on our home as you type in www.equip.com. As you've noticed, we use the phone setup layout prototyping for it is the most convenient tool for embracing the best service. As you've seen in the upper right corner, you can see triple horizontal lines, and if you click that, a sliding sub window like this will appear containing different clicking tabs from home, about us, rentals, used equipment, news, how to contact us, and to the tab of rating our service.
If you tap the About Us button, you will see our brief description and our contact information. As you scroll it up, you will see our map of belongingness where you can also be guided where to visit us at our physical store.
Next, as you click the rentals button, you will be directed to this portion where all of the available equipments and multi-purpose trucks are seen. Once you've clicked your desired equipment to rent, you will be directed to our fill-up forms. Fill in your name or the rentee's name, the company you belong, email and contact number. You can compose messages and indicate your address. This is for us to know what are your words that can help us determine and accommodate your request. Once you fill in all the informations, click submit. But don't forget to check the box of privacy policy, for this is the indication that you abide and read our policies. No less than 10 minutes, a message will be sent on your company's email account that your request to rent has been approved. This is the time that you'll visit our store for the payment and towing of equipment. But you can still pay us online through our specified bank accounts.
To know and to get more equipped, we have also provided customers' testimonies and news that will assure you that our service is a world class.
Also, to know the customer's feedback and how we can improve our service, we have also provided customer satisfaction survey. And that's it. That is the overview of our layout prototype. We provide this for we are bounded to have the best rental service within the city and soon within the region.
Because here
we
we take pride in helping you to
get
get
equipped.
equipped.